Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you what to do if you have forgotten the password of your BestJobs account. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Then you should tap on the menu icon that you will see in the upper left corner of the screen. Now click on account settings, which is the last option. Tap on password. I forgot my password. Tap on cancel. Now you should type in your email address. Then tap on send, and you will be able to recover your password by clicking on a link that will be sent to you to your email address. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.